Get your free personalized video numerology report. We'll explore your life path number, expression number, and soul urge number, and more, in ways you've never, ever, seen before. You'll discover things like deep desires you may be ignoring and what you can do to finally attain them. Where you've incorrectly put your energy and how you can make an easy switch to end your struggle. The perfect environment you need to flourish personally and professionally. Secret talents and hidden strengths and how to use them to get what you truly want. Powerful insight into your character, quirky personality traits, and the unique ways in which you relate to others. Upcoming lessons you're meant to learn and unexplored opportunities to change your life for the better. Unlock the life you want. Get your free personalized video numerology report now.